Did you know that eating papaya seeds to kill parasites might not be as effective as you think? Most people make a common mistake that reduces their effectiveness. If natural remedies haven't worked for you, don't worry. I'll show you the right way to use them and share a powerful ancient tea recipe for fighting parasites. Parasites can live in your body unnoticed, causing fatigue, bloating, stomach pain, skin rashes, or weight loss. Left untreated, they rob you of nutrients, damage digestion, and weaken your immune system. 1. Papaya seeds. Papaya seeds are well known for their parasite-killing enzymes, such as papain. However, the key to unlocking their power lies in chewing or crushing the seeds. Swallowing them whole simply won't do. Why? Because chewing releases the enzymes needed to break down parasites attached to your digestive tract. To make them more palatable, you can dry and grind the seeds into a powder. Then sprinkle it on food, mix it into smoothies, or combine it with honey. Tip: start with 1 teaspoon per day. Papaya seeds are potent, and overconsumption can irritate your stomach. 2. Garlic, nature's antiparasitic powerhouse. Garlic isn't just a flavorful kitchen staple, it's also an antiparasitic superstar. When crushed, garlic releases allicin, a compound that kills parasites and boosts your immune system. To use garlic effectively, crush it and let it sit for 10 minutes before eating it raw, adding it to salad dressings, or stirring it into soups. If the taste is too strong, garlic oil capsules offer a convenient, odor-free alternative. 3. Pumpkin seeds, a gentle yet effective remedy. Pumpkin seeds contain cucurbitacin, a compound that paralyzes parasites, making it easier for your body to expel them. You can roast the seeds for a healthy snack or grind them into a powder and mix with honey for a sweet, effective remedy. Pumpkin seeds are safe for both adults and children, making them an excellent option for the whole family. 4. The secret tea, Artemisia, the queen of herbs. This ancient remedy, made from Artemisia vulgaris, mugwort, is a powerful antiparasitic tea. Artemisia's properties also aid digestion and boost immunity. Recipe: ingredients: 2 tablespoons of dried Artemisia leaves, 1 liter of boiling water. Instructions: boil the water, turn off the heat. Add the Artemisia leaves, and let steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink 2 to 3 cups daily for up to 15 days. Important: Artemisia is very strong, so take a week-long break after 15 days of use. Always consult a healthcare professional before using it, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have underlying medical conditions. Getting rid of parasites naturally isn't just about killing them, it's about creating an environment in your body where they can't thrive. By using these remedies consistently and responsibly, you'll notice a significant improvement in your health and energy levels. So why wait? Start taking control of your health today with these time-tested natural solutions.